Hi, I'm Pete Caloia, Regional Sales Manager for the Northeast for SAMPA USA.
So Pete, I know that you've had some distributors who've experienced some really phenomenal growth in the last couple of years. What role did SAMPA play in helping them achieve that?
We help provide greater availability with the products. We utilize an integrated manufacturing process in our plants in Turkey that allows for greater availability through greater efficiencies. And we also help customers get into categories they weren't already selling that way. So we had customers who would start with air springs, and then they would realize that we had fifth wheel top plates, repair kits, kingpin kits, and from there they would grow. They didn't have supply in some of the other categories, so we were able to step up and fill those voids.
Yeah, I know when I sold parts, one of the things that was really important is being, as a distributor, you kind of have to be everything to everyone, right? You don't know what they're going to need next, and you have to have that inventory ready to go. So I can see how by expanding the products that they could sell, that would definitely help them to grow. You talk about inventory, and every time I talk to someone from SAMPA, they either talk about the quality of the product or they talk about your inventory. How did you see that as really impacting the trajectory of their growth?
It allowed them to rely on the supplier to actually have the product when they needed it, where the whole industry was experiencing hardship with that at the time. So we were able to provide the product when they needed it. As you know, there's no time in this business. Everybody needs the part yesterday. Right. We were able to meet those demands and offer, like you had mentioned, top quality, OE quality, at the right price, a very competitive price when it was needed.